5 technologies that will shape our world over the next 5 years. Every major technology that will dominate the industry in the next 5 years will leverage AI in some form or another. So, what are the top 5 AI-powered tech trends to shape our world? Technology has changed the world as we knew it and is going to do so for the foreseeable future. Any conversation about emerging technologies that will impact our lives is not possible without a reference to artificial intelligence, and rightly so. It is a powerful trend that will shape the future of work, transform every sector imaginable and touch every aspect of life. But the truth is, AI is already underpinning every major technology trend in the market today, and this will only deepen in the years to come. In fact, every major technology that will dominate the industry in the next 5 years will leverage AI in some form or another. So, what are the top 5 AI-powered tech trends to shape our world? Cloud-native applications. We are witnessing a distinct change in application infrastructure with more and more organizations moving to cloud-native applications. IDC predicts that by 2022, 35% of all production apps will be cloud-native. And that from 2018 to 2023, with new tools, platforms, more developers, agile methods, and lots of code reuse, 500 million new logical apps will be created, equal to the number built over the past 40 years. User interfaces will see a sea change over the coming years with increasing machine-to-machine, end-to-end, dialogue. By 2024, AI-powered user interfaces and process automation will replace about a third of the current screen-based apps. Containerization is becoming the de facto standard for building, running, deploying, managing and essentially securing the cloud-native application of the future using Kubernetes. It is already an industry-wide phenomenon and I only expect it to expand further. Intrinsic security. For the longest time, the technology world followed a bolted-on approach to security that mainly comprised patching the infrastructure from data center to the edge. With the risk landscape getting increasingly complex and sophisticated, with the bad actors get more sophisticated, it is now quite clear that this is not working. Security needs to be reinvented from the current model to be intrinsically built into every aspect of the infrastructure and applications deployed on it, thereby reducing the attack surface significantly. The focus is on known good behavior that can be used to detect anomalies which can then be isolated and addressed. AI/ML will form the underpinnings of this intrinsic security model, and I believe the future of intelligent security will lie in how intrinsic security strategies operate in the context of infrastructure. PALT and edge are fast becoming the most potent superpowers of the tech world. The predictions are for billions of endpoints being deployed as digital transformation takes hold across various industries. Even in India, we are seeing large-scale deployments emerging in vastly different use cases like smart cities, electric vehicle charging infrastructure, smart surveillance, medical applications and many more. PALT edge are a reality and we are going to see this gradually rise. Building, running, managing and securing such widespread edge implementations will grow in complexity with multiple endpoints. And it cannot be done without integrating AI and ML into the AI platform. In the next few years, we will see more of such AI-powered deployments across sectors. 5G is going to be a game changer for the telco sector. GSMA Intelligence forecasts that there will be more than 50 5G networks worldwide by 2021, and by 2025, there will be more than 1.3 billion 5G connections covering 40% of the global population. From smart cities to connected healthcare to better security, there are innumerable use cases for 5G. Of course, delivering modern applications and services requires an agile and scalable telco cloud and a multi-cloud strategy that can unify your network and IT environments, and connect them to private enterprise clouds, edge clouds, and public clouds. As the network grows, AI will be the mechanism to simplify the complexity that will inevitably arise out of countless endpoints and unprecedented volumes of data. Blockchain, that started as an offshoot of the cryptocurrency movement, is gaining a lot of traction. Though the evolution of blockchain has had its challenges due to multiple approaches, but things are starting to mature and clearer on its evolution. I believe that the potential for enterprise blockchains is immense and will have a profound impact on businesses in the next 5 years. According to Gartner, by 2039, business value added by blockchain technology will increase to $3.1 trillion. A blockchain is a decentralized, incorruptible, unchangeable space for encrypted data, and AI is the brain that can analyze and interpret that data reliably and quickly to drive actionable insights. The two can work together to change the nature of transactional businesses significantly. I write of these technologies impacting our futures, but the truth is that we are witnessing their impact and widespread adoption in the present day. The expectation is that $1 trillion of Indian GDP, in the overall vision of $5 trillion GDP by 2025, is going to be delivered by widespread digital transformation of Indian government and enterprises. The future is indeed exciting, and I am confident the above technology trends will form the backdrop to drive this growth. Please save trees and nature. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. 5 technologies that will shape our world over the next 5 years. Every major technology that will dominate the